Ever feel like finding the perfect SUV is almost impossible? You scroll through reviews, compare endless features, and somehow every car brand claims theirs is the best. But the last thing you want is to spend thousands of dollars on an SUV, only to have it fall apart a few years later. So, which SUVs actually deliver on their promises? Today, we're breaking down 7 SUVs that come shockingly close to perfection, the ones that real drivers swear by, experts rate highly, and actually hold their value over time. Number 7. Subaru Crosstrek. If you think small SUVs can't be reliable, efficient, and adventure-ready all at once, the Subaru Crosstrek is here to prove you wrong. Ranked number 1 in the subcompact SUV category by Consumer Reports, this SUV delivers a perfect blend of ruggedness and reliability. A top pick by Consumer Reports for 2025, proving it's built to last. Comes standard with Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system, making it perfect for all weather conditions and off-road adventures. Up to 34 miles per gallon highway, saving you money on gas while still offering all-wheel drive capability, equipped with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist, including pre-collision braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Starting price? Around $26,500. A solid deal for an SUV that combines dependability, efficiency, and go-anywhere capability. If you want a compact SUV that's fun to drive, reliable for years, and ready for adventure, the Subaru Crosstrek is an undeniable top contender. Number 6. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Some SUVs claim to be fuel efficient, others focus on reliability, and some excel in performance. But what if you could have all three in one package? That's exactly what the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid delivers. Ranked among the most reliable hybrid SUVs by Consumer Reports, this SUV is the go-to choice for anyone who wants an efficient, durable, and versatile vehicle. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the RAV4 Hybrid as one of the most reliable SUVs on the market. A hybrid system that gets up to 40 miles per gallon combined, giving you SUV space without the gas-guzzling habits. A 219-horsepower hybrid powertrain ensures you get quick acceleration and smooth handling. Comes with Toyota's Safety Sense, which includes lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Toyota's legendary reliability means the RAV4 Hybrid holds its value better than most competitors. Starting price? Around $31,000. But considering the fuel savings, reliability, and long-term durability, it's one of the smartest financial investments you can make in an SUV. If you want an SUV that saves you money, lasts for years, and delivers strong performance, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is a no-brainer. Number 5. Kia Sorento Hybrid. Finding a 3-row SUV that balances fuel efficiency, space, and reliability can be a challenge. But according to Consumer Reports, the Kia Sorento Hybrid stands out as the most reliable 3-row SUV, delivering everything a family needs without the high cost of ownership. Top-rated in Consumer Reports' latest rankings for 3-row SUVs, proving it's built to last, up to 37 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. A 227-horsepower hybrid powertrain delivers smooth acceleration and a comfortable driving experience, offers 3 rows of seating while maintaining a compact and easy-to-drive footprint, perfect for families who need space without the bulk of a full-size SUV. Comes standard with Kia's DriveWise safety suite, including blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and forward collision avoidance. Starting price? Around $38,000, which is a steal for a 3-row SUV with hybrid efficiency and proven reliability. If you want a family-friendly SUV that saves you money at the pump, ranks high in reliability, and offers 3-row practicality, the Kia Sorento Hybrid is one of the best choices on the market. Number 4. Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. When it comes to midsize SUVs, you usually have to pick between comfort, efficiency, or reliability. But according to Consumer Reports, the Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid is one of the few SUVs that checks all the boxes, making it a top pick for 2025. Highly rated by Consumer Reports, proving it's built to go the distance. Up to 34 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most fuel-efficient midsize SUVs without sacrificing power. A 225-horsepower hybrid powertrain with a 6-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth acceleration and a quiet ride. Offers generous cargo space and a high-end interior with plush seating and premium tech. Equipped with Hyundai's SmartSense safety suite, including blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision avoidance. Starting price? Around $36,000, which is a great deal for an SUV that blends efficiency, safety, and everyday practicality. If you're looking for a midsize SUV that's perfect for road trips, family life, and fuel savings, the Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid is an unbeatable choice. Number 3. Lexus NX Hybrid. Luxury SUVs are notorious for being expensive to maintain, But the Lexus NX Hybrid breaks the mold. According to Consumer Reports, this fuel-efficient, tech-packed luxury SUV is also one of the most reliable hybrid SUVs on the market. Ranks among the most reliable hybrid models, backed by Lexus's legendary durability, up to 39 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most fuel-efficient luxury SUVs available. A 240-horsepower hybrid powertrain delivers quick acceleration with a smooth and quiet ride. Features high-end materials, a 14-inch touchscreen, and an ultra-modern cabin design. Comes with Lexus Safety System Plus, which includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Starting price? Around $41,000, which is a fantastic deal for a luxury SUV with hybrid efficiency and top-tier reliability. If you want a luxury SUV that's reliable, fuel-efficient, and packed with premium features, the Lexus NX Hybrid is one of the best choices out there. Number 2. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Finding a 3-row SUV that's spacious, fuel-efficient, and built to last might sound impossible, but according to Consumer Reports, the Toyota Highlander Hybrid is exactly that. This SUV is perfect for families who want comfort, safety, and long-term reliability without breaking the bank on fuel costs. Consumer Reports ranks it among the most dependable 3-row SUVs thanks to Toyota's proven hybrid technology. A 3-row SUV that gets up to 36 miles per gallon combined? Yes, it's real, and it saves you thousands at the pump over time. A 243-horsepower hybrid powertrain delivers smooth power, great handling, and a quiet ride. Offers ample legroom, a spacious third row, and up to 84.3 cubic feet of cargo space. Comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, featuring pre-collision braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Starting price? Around $42,000, which is a solid deal for a 3-row SUV that blends fuel efficiency, safety, and Toyota's rock-solid reliability. If you need a spacious, family-friendly SUV that cuts down on fuel costs and holds its value, for years, the Toyota Highlander Hybrid is the ultimate smart choice. Number 1. Nissan Rogue. When it comes to compact SUVs, some are reliable, some are efficient, and some are packed with features. But according to Consumer Reports, the Nissan Rogue is one of the few SUVs that excels in all 3 areas. Ranks as one of the most dependable compact SUVs in Consumer Reports' latest evaluations, up to 37 miles per gallon highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient non-hybrid SUVs in its class. The 201-horsepower turbocharged engine delivers a smooth, responsive ride with great highway passing power, offers best-in-class cargo space, premium interior materials, and comfortable seating for long drives. Comes with Nissan Safety Shield 360, including blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Starting price? Around $29,000, which is a fantastic value for a compact SUV with high reliability, strong fuel economy, and modern features. If you're looking for an SUV that's practical, fuel-efficient, and packed with tech, the Nissan Rogue is easily one of the best choices for 2025. And there you have it, the top 7 SUVs of 2025 according to Consumer Reports. Whether you're looking for fuel efficiency, rock-solid reliability, family-friendly space, or premium features, these SUVs deliver on all fronts. But now we want to hear from you. Which of these SUVs would you pick as your next ride? Or do you think another SUV deserved a spot on this list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the best cars, SUVs, and automotive trends.